In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best shampoos for human hair wigs. These are top-notch wig cleansers that rejuvenate the natural volume and luster of your beloved hair extensions. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best shampoos for human hair wigs. Number 5. Mermaid Extension Hair Care Shampoo. The Mermaid Extension Hair Care Shampoo is a professional-grade formula designed specifically for both fine and thick wig hair. Tailored to address the unique needs of fine hair lacking density and thick strands in need of moisture, this ultra-gentle shampoo for wigs and extensions provides a comprehensive solution. Instantly infusing hydration, it lifts hair with supreme hold and shine, working seamlessly from faux roots to tips to efficiently eliminate dirt and impurities in a single wash. It's gentle enough for your delicate hair extensions, ensuring a thorough cleanse without stripping away natural oils. The worry of buildup on extensions is eliminated, promising to preserve their life and keep them soft and healthy. Say goodbye to expensive, professionally designed wig cleansers. Opt for this sulfate-free shampoo for human hair wigs and achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. The pros are: it's gentle on hair, it helps to build a wig's body, it is color safe, and salon grade. The cons are: it has a limited quantity. Number 4. African Essence Control Wig Shampoo. From tangles to unmanaged hair, the African Essence Control Wig Shampoo is the one-stop solution for all. It enhances manageability so you can glide your brush down without tugging. Plus, the formula breaks down buildup while reviving dull and lifeless hair. Hence, it's one of the best shampoos to wash wigs that keep post-washing signs like dryness or knots at bay. The mildness of this shampoo ensures a delicate touch on your hair, leaving it refreshed and vibrant. Also, its meticulous formula works its magic, lifting away dirt and oils, and revealing the natural beauty of your wigs. With regular use of this shampoo, your wig will maintain its original allure, ensuring you always step out with confidence and style. The pros are: it is phosphate-free, it improves texture, it boosts softness, and gives smooth consistency. However, the cons are: the pump design could be more user-friendly. Number 3. Silicone Mix Hair Treatment and Shampoo. Silicone Mix Hair Treatment and Shampoo is meticulously made with dry and damaged hair in mind. Infused with a powerful blend of silicones, keratin, and ceramides, this hydrating shampoo is more than just a cleansing agent. It's a rejuvenating elixir for your wig. With richness infused into every drop, these products promise to breathe new life into your wig, leaving you with hair that's not just beautiful, but radiantly healthy. The pros are: it softens the hair, it adds strength and shine, it is user-friendly. The cons are: some users find the fragrance a bit too strong. Like this one? Click the link in the description box below. If you haven't made a choice, then keep watching for more options we have for you. Number 2. Design Essentials Conditioning Shampoo. Witness the perfect blend of affordability and excellence with Design Essentials Conditioning Shampoo. This 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for synthetic wigs and Remy hair pieces is enriched with Moroccan argan oil and gentle surfactants, providing a deep cleanse without damage. It conditions hair to restore buoyancy and body, ensuring your false hair looks radiant and beautiful. This product is a must-have to extend the durability of your wig and extensions. This unique formulation ensures a mild cleansing experience, catering specifically to the needs of wigs, weaves, and extensions. Unlike harsh shampoos that can strip away essential oils and cause damage, this sulfate-free option delicately cleanses without compromising the integrity of your hair pieces. When you use Design Essentials Conditioning Shampoo, it not only eliminates tangling, but also significantly reduces shedding. The result is a rejuvenated and resilient hairpiece that withstands the tests of time. The pros are: it's cruelty-free, it restores shine. Also, it minimizes shedding, no overwhelming scent, and gives a fuller hair appearance. The cons are: it may be heavy for superfine thin hair. Number 1. Awesome Human Hair Wig Shampoo. Experience optimal TLC with the awesome human hair wig shampoo, designed for the care your natural hair extensions deserve. The revitalizing formula, enriched with camellia seed oil, brings back moisture and shine without feeling greasy or heavy. This shampoo ensures strands remain soft and light, providing bouncy and voluminous hair looks without weighing down or flattening tresses. This specially formulated shampoo extends the life of your wig. With a good wash followed by a gentle comb through, your wig will revel in a day of lightweight, residue-free comfort, feeling as light as a cloud. The pros are: it is easy to use. It is a natural detangler. It resists heat damage. It gives long-lasting hold and absorbs quickly. The cons are: it may not be suitable for direct application. Things to consider before choosing the best shampoos for human hair wigs. 1. Ingredients. Wigs demand delicate care, necessitating avoidance of harsh chemicals. Shampoos with sulfates, parabens, and gluten can diminish natural sheen and moisture, leaving wigs dry and susceptible to damage. Opt for gentle alternatives like coconut acid, lauric acid, cocamidopropyl betaine, and sarcosinates, preserving vibrancy, color, texture, and buoyancy. Organic ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, shea butter, and aloe extracts enhance shine and maintain wig quality, particularly for human hair wigs. 2. Wig type. Wigs and hair extensions come in synthetic or natural options. Synthetic wigs use artificial fibers, while natural pieces utilize human hair. Choose shampoos based on wig type, as some cater specifically to synthetic or natural hair. Check labels for alignment with wig types. 3. Low pH levels. For synthetic hair wigs, prioritize low pH shampoos to maintain fiber integrity. Such shampoos are gentle, preserving natural moisture and shielding against damage. Moisturizing low pH shampoos are vital for natural hair elements, ensuring hydration for braids, curls, or human hair lace wigs. They also suit hair extensions, offering deodorizing properties and safeguarding synthetic wigs against potential damage. 4. Color-safe formulas. Not every wig shampoo is suitable for wigs with color treatments. Therefore, if you're wearing a wig with colored hair, it's crucial to be extra vigilant and choose a shampoo specifically designed to preserve color. Using the incorrect shampoo may result in your wig losing its color over time. Colored wig wearers benefit from color-safe shampoos, formulated to eliminate impurities without fading hair color. Choosing the right shampoo for your specific wig type ensures longevity, maintains quality, and keeps hair healthy and lustrous over time. How to wash your human hair wigs. Using a shampoo. 1. Begin by detangling the hair to eliminate any knots. 2. Put the wig in a container filled with cold water and the most suitable shampoo for your human hair wigs. 3. Gently rub the hair within the solution to effectively remove impurities. 4. Wash the wig, being mindful to avoid squeezing it, as this could weaken the individual strands. 5. Create a mixture of wig conditioner and cold water, allowing the hairpiece to soak for 3 to 4 minutes. 6. Proceed with a regular rinse and dry the hair using a towel or a blow dryer set to the minimum temperature. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.